Hello, Year 5. So today I'm going to show you a future experiment that we're going to conduct in our States of Matter science lesson. Now, this experiment is where it's going to separate mixtures out of some black felt tip. Now, the process of separating mixtures is known as chromatography. Jot this down because you're going to have to remember this when we go into class. So separating mixtures is known as chromatography. Now, the way this is going to work, this experiment, you're going to get some coffee filter. You're going to draw a line with a black felt tip. After you've done this, you will place this into a cup of water, and the water is going to begin to soak through the felt tip. Now, as it's going to separate mixtures, what do you think is going to happen? Is it just going to come out with black ink? Well, actually, something else different happens entirely. Here are some I made earlier. So originally, there was a black line just at the bottom of this. And as the water has seeped upwards through this, we can see all the different colors needed to make black ink come through. So we can see some reds, orange, and blues. So as you leave your water, your coffee filter in your cup of water, you can see all different colors bleed through. It's amazing to see. So this process is called chromatography. And here we can see all different mixtures made. We can also use it in a different format. So in this case, I've done a drop of water. I've done a dot of felt tip in the middle of the coffee filter, and I've put different droplets of water on the outside. So here we can see how different the colors have expanded, have separated even from the black felt tip. Now let's delve into a reason about why this happens. So this happened because the water flowed through a still substance, in this case, our coffee filter, through different speeds. You can see that since the water carries the different pigments at different rates, so pigments is the colors, the water goes through the different colors at different rates within the black ink. The black ink separates to reveal the colors that were mixed to make it. So the water goes through the different pigments at different rates. That's why this happens. Now, as you've seen from my alternate one, this is another way of doing it, where we put the black felt tip in the middle. So these are examples of testing chromatography. Chromatography is when we separate mixtures. Look forward to doing this experiment with you all. It'll be interesting to see what we remember from the flipped classroom video from when we come to do it in the lesson itself. Have a good weekend.